Fei-Fei, tagal kong inantay ng araw na to.
We've come a long way together. We've come a long way.
Sansan, it's been 12 years and we've waited for this day to come.
Sa wakas, nandito na tayo sa harap ng altar. At sa harap ng Diyos. Ito na yata ang isa sa pinakamagandang regalong natanggap ko kay Lord. Yung makasal sa taong pinakamamahal ko.
The day my life changed was when we were watching the stars near the beachport, lying on the playground. I gave you my heart. Now I get to spend forever with my best friend. You know you've got me until the very end. Been together 12 years, and it's finally time to start our lives as husband and wife. We're gonna say those vows and end with I do. You're making my dreams come true, 'cause today's the day I marry you.
I promise to work at our love and always make you a priority in my life. We're maybe not the sweetest couple, but I will make sure to make you happy all throughout our marriage.
I've never known someone so humble and kind. Your parents raised you into the man that I get to call all mine. Chris, you are perfect for me. You're a simple man with a simple
I promise to
dream.
respect, admire, and appreciate your corny jokes and craziness. I promise to never lose our spark and to always do the little things to make you happy. Your kindness to others and simplicity in life made me love you even more every single day. I promise I will love you with every beat of my heart, now and forever. I love you.
'Cause today's the day I marry you. Been together 12 years, and it's finally time to start our lives as husband and wife. We're gonna say those vows and end with I do. You're making my dreams come true, 'cause today's the day I marry you. Today's the day I marry you.
Kaya Faye, ito lang mapapangako ko sa'yo. Sa harap ng mga magulang mo at ng buong angkan mo. At sa lahat ng mga tao dito. Na hindi kita iiwan. Mamahalin at aalagaan kita hanggat nabubuhay ako.
We recite our favorite lines from
Magiging tapat ako sa'yo at kailanman hindi kita lolokohin. Araw-araw, gabi-gabi, kung ipapadama sa'yo kung gaano kita kamahal. Pangako yan. I love you, Pepe.